The van is parked in the Motorhome parking at Wolfegg. It's €5 for 24 hours with a maximum of 5 days stay. So that's quite happy. So let's go now and have a look at the town. So behind the motorhome parking we have this chapel and these stations of the cross. Now I noticed a number of people who were parking their cars in the car park or coming here, and I thought they were all coming to the chapel. Then I noticed that on the right we have a park, a path, and there we can see the Alps. On a day like today, it's absolutely fantastic to be able to get out in the van and to see things like this. And I sleep so well in the van. And last night I was sort of well out in the countryside where I slept. You can see it in another film in Berlin. So there's no shortage of parking here in Wolfegg. I noticed in Heath, where I was earlier today, they had these pennants out as well. I still don't know what they're out for. Gasthof zur Post. It's a former brewery which has been turned into a senior citizens home. And I can understand why people would want to retire to a place like this. Ah, there's a sign. If I lived anywhere in Germany, I'd want to live somewhere around here. Perhaps on Lake Constance, Lindau. Somewhere in this area. I'm unable to tell you anything about this, but if you click on the link there will be a description, because I'll find out. I do know, however, that there is an automotive museum down here somewhere. An orangery. It must be indoors. Although I need to point out that in Sicily you get these red oranges because the temperature can drop to almost zero, and that's the reason why they become red. Of course, that's dropping to almost zero at night, not during the day. Fresh milk every day, 24 hours. Now the Allgäu is noted for its milk, which comes from cows which eat grass in the pastures. Let's see. I've heard of these things before, but I've not actually seen one. You have to bring your own bottle, stick your bottle in, stick your money in. It's 70 cents per litre. I haven't got a bottle here, but I do have an empty bottle in the vehicle. I didn't throw it out now. I was going to throw it out. And they also have fresh eggs sometimes, but not today. $2.70 for 10. That's just quite a lot of money, really, when I think about it. You expect them to be really good for that type of money. Anyway, I might come back later with a bottle. Trinkt Pfunds Milch. I assumed that this path would bring me onto the park, which is next to where the vehicle is parked, but it didn't. One thing I've got to say is that next to the town hall there's the information place, and they've got internet there. So I'm going to bring my vehicle down here. That's something I can do with this vehicle, which I can't do in a longer vehicle, and park it there, and I'll be able to use the internet for a couple of hours. I can work for a couple of hours. So I'm back at the motorhome parking place, but I'm not leaving. I'm going to get my motorhome and I'm going to take it to the town hall, because well, there's internet, and I'm also going to get some of that milk, and had they had any eggs available I would have got some of them as well. Unfortunately they didn't. So I've got to say that Wolfegg is one of the nicest villages I've seen in Germany. They're very attractive. very glad I stopped here.